3, 2, 1, action. 3, 2, 1, action.
After that, we'll be doing. What's it called?
A Smasher's dinosaur egg.
A Smasher's dinosaur egg!
Yay! Can you bring it closer so people can see how it looks like?
And they get the back, so this is what you get.
What do we get? Let me see. Oh yeah, cool. That looks cool. Wait, let's show here people here.
And this is the dinosaur.
A little red dinosaur. So where do we buy this?
Target.
Yeah. And
Ryan's on this, so we played it.
Yep, that's correct. So it says here surprise slime, fossil stickers, and more hidden inside. Yes, I did. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open with scissors.
Yes,
And then.
I'm not old enough to have scissors yet.
That's right. And we're gonna go ahead and have you do the opening,
And
Edge.
remember the other one that they sealed the pineapple egg really tight?
They did seal it really tight. Okay. And we're gonna see what we're gonna get. So this is kind of like a mystery egg, but it's dinosaurs this time.
Daddy, did you get that?
Yes, but stop making silly, weird noises. People are gonna think you're a weird scientist. Okay. All right. Here you go. Let's see what's inside the egg. Ooh. All right. Let's go ahead and open some of those. Go ahead and open them.
Wait, there's instructions.
There's instructions.
Yeah.
What are these?
To build a dinosaur.
Oh, you have to build the dinosaur. Oh, so it's like a dinosaur fossil that we have to build.
Yeah.
Okay, well, why don't we open things one at a time and see what's inside? Do you need help? Oh, you don't want to do that. You're going to mess up your teeth.
Okay.
Want me to help you? Here.
I'll do the scissors.
I'll do the scissors. Well, you wait over there and I'll hand it to you.
There
you
go. I wonder what this is.
What is that?
That's something.
Oh, can you put it here so we can see what it is?
What?
Why don't you show the audience what it is?
I think this is not the dinosaur. This is the dinosaur.
Are you sure? Why don't you put it here and let's see. Let's see what this is. This is... Oh, no, it's a dinosaur. It's a little dinosaur figurine. I don't know what it is, but it looks like...
Daddy, let's open
You
the
know what
slime
this
next.
is. You want to open the slime next? Well, why don't we open the other thing first before we open the slime?
Because I just love slime.
And then the Rhizosaurus is this. I wonder if this actually comes with it. And it says right here, Zuru Smasher's Dino Island. Okay, well, we'll find out. So let me open this.
Let's see. I think this is a dinosaur.
Oh, so we get a piece of it. Oh, okay. I see how that works. So we have to collect them all in order to get them. All right, so let's open the slime, unless the slime has it. Can I see the slime?
The slime.
Let's see. Let me feel.
Oh, I'm tall.
Oh, there are things in here. Oh, okay. What? Hey, let's move the egg and let's open this up.
It's time to get slimy.
It's time to get slimy. All right. Let me see.
That's what I always say.
All right. Okay, so they made this very creative by putting the bones in the slime. All right, let's go ahead and get it out. So you got little stickers here. Just use your hand. No, grab it all out and pull it all out.
No, I want to.
You want to do it that way? It's going to be a little hard, Edge. Here, want me to help you?
I got it.
Oh, look at all that.
Ooh, look at all that. That's
I know. Isn't that cool? Pull it all out.
This is big slime.
Oh, we got another piece.
Put in there. Ah, it's sticky.
Yep, it's sticky.
It's sticky.
It's like an egg hatching.
This is so sticky. Let's see if I can get it.
Is that it?
Oh, wait, no. That's not all it. There's more.
There's more pieces?
No, there's more slime.
Okay, can you hand me the pieces and I can put it together?
No, I got it. I want to put it together.
You want to put it together? Okay. There's the instructions. Go ahead and start putting it together now.
Okay. Before, I just have to play with the slime.
Yeah, but you can play with the slime after. Let's put the
Okay.
dinosaur together.
How do I get these out?
Let me see. I want to help you.
Got it.
Yeah, just pull them out one at a time and then just stick them as best as you can to each other.
Well, this slime is pretty sticky, so I think it can really stick here.
Okay. Go ahead and pull it out. Pull the pieces out.
I
Why
got-
don't you pull the pieces out and put them all there so you can separate them and then start putting it together. There you go. Okay, let's move them right
Ooh,
here.
this is a hand. This is a feet.
And let's see how well you could build this. You're really good with Legos, so let's see how well you could put this together.
Yep, because remember.
Yeah, it's a Super Mario theme.
Super Mario.
So, just to show our audience again, we're gonna be, Professor Edge or Scientist Edge is gonna be building the Rhizinosaurus. It's a zombie, looks like a zombie dinosaur. It's a skeletal zombie dinosaur.
This piece is stuck. The ass piece.
All right, let's go ahead and put it together. Put it together.
Number 1. Because number 1, see, it's that.
So we gotta go with B and C. So B is this, and then we got C right here.
Okay, can I build it?
Yeah, why don't we take turns, okay?
This
here's
slime is just
B.
so squishy.
And C.
Now, they haven't even old enough to have slime yet.
There we go. So we got this built like this. Okay.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's the slime. All right, so now we need E and D,
I want to
which
put
are
it
the
together.
legs. Okay, how about if I have you put the head on?
Okay.
You do the last part, because I know you want to have fun with the slime. Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Now we're gonna put his hands on. All right. Look at this. It looks scary. It's a Rhizinosaurus. Roar. Okay. All right, you do the honors. You got to put the head on like this. So be very careful. Put the head on. Oh, its foot fell off. I'll put the foot back on for you. Be gentle with it.
This one is very fragile.
Yeah, they're a little fragile, so you want to make sure things don't fall apart. Oh.
And then that's gonna get trapped in the slime. Can you put this one in for me?
Yeah, let me put it in for you.
Why play with the slime? Yeah, it's coming down.
Okay, and then let's put the head on. Ah. There we go. You got the Rhizinosaurus here. Why don't you show everybody the Rhizinosaurus up close? Come over here. Over here. Bring it over here. Over here. Whoa, look at this.
Daddy, Mommy, it's put slime on it, so it looks like a woolly zombie.
Okay. So we got a Rhizinosaurus, we got a slime, and then we also got these Rhizinosaurus stickers that are pretty cool. And then we got this, which I also think is some kind of dinosaur. I'm not sure what that is, but this is a pretty cool toy overall, Edge. So Scientist Edge, what do you want?
That's it, fall off.
That's okay, we can put it back together. What do you want to tell your audience before we end the video?